What's up, guys? Today I'm going to talk about how a shirt that I had broke 9,000 BSR. You're probably wondering, how many shirt sales is that per day? Well, stay tuned to find out.
Mats, tutorials, and more.
Thanks so much for checking out my channel where I talk about tech, tools, and tips and how to make money online. If you can, hit that subscribe button down below and hit the little bell icon so you'll be notified when I post a new video. What's so cool about today's video is a design that took off was made on my cell phone using the Vintage Design app, photo distress, and using over to resize. So let's jump right in that video. Let's talk real quick about the shirt that broke 9,000. So the lowest it hit was 8,946. My sales for the end of January to start of February were sort of slow, and then it started picking up. I remember the shirt started selling a handful of times, and then it went from like 4 to 8, went up further than that. I'm not going to share the exact day that it broke 8,000 or 9,000. When it did, that particular day, it sold 33, well, really 36 times, and I guess had 3 cancellations. It's kind of neat getting that many sales per day when you're not used to it, for sure. This shirt originally was not created for Valentine's Day. It was created last year for something different, but I saw where it could work for Valentine's Day, and so I adjusted the keywords and it ended up taking off. So this month so far I've made 368 sales. I had 380 with like 12 cancellations and 15 returns. But this one shirt has sold for 260 times. From a financial standpoint, that makes my month one of the best on merch so far. I think with this shirt, I started out like $15.99. It ended up going to $19.99, but I came back to around $16.99. It kind of fluctuated between $16.99 and $17.99. Found that $16.99 worked pretty well. As you can see, this has become my top selling shirt. I made it for something last year, like I mentioned before. So the same design worked for this year for Valentine's Day. This should continue to remain one of my top selling shirts, hopefully throughout the year. So this puts me at currently 2,141 total sales. So once I could get that 1,600 shirts or products uploaded, I should be able to move to the 4K tier. As you can see, when I first started merch, I started in September of 2017. At first, I was trying to just generate some sales, pricing low. Sometimes it's kind of nerve-wracking raising the price because you don't know if it's going to sell or not, but you just got to test it because each niche is different. So yeah, merch is getting there. It's not as a fast a process as I thought it could be. So it takes work. So you can see all the months that were kind of mediocre, and then it gets better. When you first get into merch by Amazon, don't give up. So you've got to put in your time. It's not an overnight success by any means, but it's fun. It's a side hustle. So my question of the day to you is, have you had a design take off? If so, how many sales did it generate? What was the lowest BSR? Comment down below so that all the others can know what your experience has been. Until next time, thanks for watching.